What's up, YouTube? It's Danny, back with another video, and today is Nintendo Switch 2 day. I'm so excited to finally unbox my Nintendo Switch 2. Now, keep in mind, 8 years ago, I was there for the midnight launch and bought the original Switch, and that was the first time I ever went to a midnight launch for a console. It was the first time ever. I have never had a console up until the original Nintendo Switch. I have never had a console on launch day. That was the very first one. So that's a fun fact. So I'm very excited to do it again a second time. So let's go ahead and open up the Nintendo Switch 2. Is what I would have said had I pre-ordered ahead of time. But I did not. And I'm feeling a little bit of FOMO. I was going to pre-order the Switch 2 and I got fired. Like, I think the day before pre-orders went live. And, it was the day before. So, me being, responsible adult that I sometimes am, didn't get one. Didn't pre-order. And so I'm feeling left out. And it's okay. It's fine. I keep telling myself either I'll get one when they restock, or I'll get in theory, the Pokemon Legends ZA edition. It's rumored, it's not confirmed. So, what are we doing today then? We're gonna unbox Puyo Puyo Tetris 2S for the Switch 2. It's not even the full game, it's the key card. It's fine. I think there's only 5 or 6 games on the Switch 2 currently. One of them being Mario Kart, which I really don't care about. Mario Kart's cool, but me being the driving simulator guy that I am, I like Mario Kart for like an hour and then I'm done, That's why I played Mario Kart 8 for a little bit on the Switch and didn't play too much. But, that being said, enjoy it if you've got it. I hope you guys are enjoying your Switch 2s. And I will join you about the time Switch 3 comes out. It's a joke. Okay, so here's Puyo Puyo Tetris 2S. Whatever 2S means. Second Switch? I don't know. It's a very small case. I don't know if this is a smaller case than the Switch. Let me find out. Actually, got them behind me. Hold on. Okay, so here's the new Switch 2 case. Here's the original Switch case. And they look to be the same size. They are. Okay. I don't know why, but they looked smaller when I was watching Wood last night unbox his Switch 2. But yeah, no, they're the same thickness, same size, which is great. That means I can put the Switch 2 games next to the Switch games on my shelf. So, and yes, I do have a good amount of physical and digital. If you've not seen that video, I'm going to link it at the end. I'm also going to link the original Switch unboxing at the end, which shows a little bit of the midnight launch. But yeah, so very red on the inside. Very, very red indeed. Quite nice. There's the game cartridge. You know what I could do, and what I did before on the original video 8 years ago, is I could do a taste test. I'm sure it's gonna taste horrible still, like the first gen games did. So here we go. Licking my cartridge. 3, 2, 1. He goes for a second lick. Yep. That's still there. Still tastes like a Sharpie. Alright, well. Certified used now, isn't it? Okay. That'll do it for this very short video. Sorry guys, I don't have really anything else to talk about or unbox. I do have my Sony ZV-1F camera that I bought just a year ago. Listed on eBay. So when that sells, I will then have money for the Switch, and I will buy a Switch, assuming I can find one. Otherwise, I'll leave it in savings, and I'll get one when I can. So, hope you all enjoy your Switch 2 launch day. Hope you all enjoyed this little fun video, if you will, of me poking at myself, making fun of myself, because I didn't pre-order the Switch 2 because I lost my job. So, it is what it is. Thank you all so much for watching. More to come. Stay tuned. I'll see you all in the next one. Enjoy your Nintendo Switch 2. And comment below what you're playing. Cyberpunk was sold out at Target, and I was surprised at that. That was the only one that was sold out. They had all the other games, though. So, Cyberpunk on the Switch 2. That's definitely going to be one of the first games I get. You can guarantee that, or I can guarantee that, not you. You're just watching. I can guarantee that. So, all right. Take care. Bye.